Welcome dear students in my course Determinants of Quality Life. Today's topic is Community Education and Policy for Preventive Health. Our today's module is number is 16. Content of this module is Community Education and Policy for Preventive Health, Health Education and Awareness Campaigns, School and Workplace Wellness Program, Role of governments in promoting preventive health, role of NGOs in preventive health, public health policies and preventive strategies, example Ayushman Bharat, building a preventive health culture in society, strategies to build a preventive cultures. Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, a student will be able to understand the interconnected role of community, education and policy in promoting preventive health. Identify key initiatives such as awareness campaigns, wellness programs and policy frameworks. Explore the contributions of government bodies and NGOs. Reflect on the importance of cultivating a preventive health culture in society. Introduction: Community Education and Policy for Preventive Health. Preventive health goes beyond individual practices. It relies heavily on collective actions from communities, educational institutions, workplace, and government policies. Promoting a culture of health requires widespread awareness, accessible resources, and systemic support. These elements together create an ecosystem that encourages individuals and communities to adopt healthy practices as a norm rather than an exception. Health education and awareness campaign. Public health campaign plays a crucial role in informing and motivating people to adopt healthy behaviors. They spread awareness about nutrition, hygiene, disease prevention, and lifestyle changes through various channels such as TV, social media, radio, and community outreach. These campaigns use culturally relevant messages and engage local influencers to ensure a deep and lasting impact on behavior. Impact of health awareness campaign. Educate the public on key health issues, encourages behavior changes, reduce stigma associated with diseases, promotes early detection and prevention. Successful campaigns include tobacco control ads, HIV/AIDS education, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and COVID-19 awareness drives, etc. These efforts demonstrate how coordinated communication strategies can positively influence health outcomes at scale. School and Workplace Wellness Program Overview. Schools and workplace provide ideal platform to promote preventive health practices. Wellness programs target physical, mental, and emotional well-being of students and employees. Through structured initiatives, these environments have a captive audience and the ability to integrate health seamlessly into daily routines, reinforcing healthy habits. School Wellness Initiative. Regular health screening and immunizations, nutrition education and healthy meals, physical activity programs and sports, mental health supports and counseling services. These programs help instill lifelong habits of healthy living. empower students to take charge of their own well-being and reduce long-term healthcare costs by identifying and addressing issues early. Workplace wellness program, health risk assessment and fitness challenges, stress management workshop, ergonomics and injury prevention training, on-site vaccination and health checkups camps. Workplace wellness programs improve productivity, reduce absenteeism, and foster a healthier, more engaged workforce. They also help create a supportive environment that prioritizes mental and physical health. Role of government in promoting preventive health. Government plays a central role in shaping public health through policy, infrastructures, and funding. They run national programs, enforce health regulations, and ensure equitable access to services. A strong public health system is essential for preventing future health crises. Government initiatives Ayushman Bharat, Health and Wellness Centers, PMJ, National Health Mission, that is NHM, National Immunization Program, Mid-Day Meal Scheme, MDMS. These initiatives aims to provide affordable and preventive care to all, especially vulnerable populations, and highlight the government's commitment to universal health coverage. Role of NGO in preventive health. Non-government organization, that is the NGOs, bridge gap in healthcare delivery. They reach underserved populations, advocate for marginalized groups, and implement grassroots level interventions. NGOs are often agile, community embedded, and trusted, making them powerful agents of health promotion. Key contributions of NGOs: conduct health camps and screening. They offer health education and counseling, and they are the partner with the government for outreach, monitor implementation of policies. NGOs like Smile Foundation, Path and Care India plays a transformative role in extending the reach and effectiveness of public health initiatives. Public health policies and preventive strategies. Public health policies create framework to reduce health disparities and encourage preventive practices. These include regulations, subsidies, and awareness drives and that influence behaviors at the population level. A well-crafted policy ensures sustainability, equity, and accountability in healthcare delivery. Example of preventive health policies: ban on tobacco advertising and smoking in public places, mandatory vaccination for school entry, subsidize on sanitations product, toilets and sanitary pads, FSSAI guideline for healthy food in schools. These policies help safeguard public health and reduce the burden of preventable diseases through legislative and systematic interventions. Building a preventive health culture in society. A preventive health culture emerges when individual institutions and policies collectively promote health as a shared responsibility. It involves proactive choices, education, community norms, and support system. Such a culture normalizes health-seeking behavior and community care. Strategies to build a preventive culture. Start health education early in schools. Engage community leaders and influencers. Leverage media to spread messages. Incentivize preventive care through insurance and schemes. Sustained effort at all levels from grassroots to policy foster a healthier, more informed society equipped to address health challenges proactively. Conclusion. Preventive health is a societal endeavor. Through education, community engagement and effective policy, we can build resilient health system and empower individuals to take control of their well-being. A multi-stakeholder approach is essential to ensure long-term sustainability and equity in health outcomes. References. Thank you.